Namaskar, my name is Anil from class 11th Geography from India book. We will take on a chapter that is called Soils. So why soil is important for us? Because soil is important because 60%, more than 60% people of India are engaged in agriculture. Therefore, we should know what types of soil we have, what are the advantages of that soils are there, and whatever disadvantages of those soils are there. So we'll take on one by one all the soils, whatever soils are there in India, because we have India, which is land of diversity. We have different landforms which exist in India. हमारे पास भारत में बहुत सारे ऐसी diversity है. We have diversity in food habits. We have diversity in physical features. We have different types of soils also. From Jammu Kashmir to Kanyakumari, we have various types of soils which exist in India. They have some advantages also, they have some disadvantages also. So we'll take on different types of soils in India. First soil, which is very important, that is called alluvial soil. The name itself is showing this is a transported soil. If we see soils are mainly of two types. One is called transported soil and one is called residual soil. What does this residual and transported means? Residual soils are those soils which exist there only with the help of parent rocks. So that is called residual soils. उसमें कोई बदलाव नहीं होता, वो they never transported from one region to another. Second type of soil, which is called transported soil, this soil used to be transported from one region to another. ये soil बनती कहीं और है लेकिन पहुंच कहीं और जाती है. So alluvial soil is one of it. So alluvial soil is like that. Why this soil is very important? Because it's very fertile. 60 to 70% of the area in India which is covered by alluvial soil, because it has its own advantages and the course of this material is very lighter. So we have maximum agriculture production which has been carried out in India, that means in alluvial soil. So maximum states of India, whether it is Punjab, whether it is Haryana, whether it is UP, all the states having alluvial soil. That's the reason these states are known as hub for food grains, because of this alluvial soil. The alluvial soil is mainly a transported soil and we can do a lot of activities, especially in this soil. हम लोग बहुत कुछ इस soil में कर सकते हैं, बहुत कुछ पैदा कर सकते हैं, and mainly it has been brought by rivers. So we have so many rivers which exist in northern India. तो northern India से बहुत सारी नदियाँ आती हैं, वो अपने साथ जो भी sediment होता है, they used to deposit in a plain area, and therefore this soil has been formed, that is called alluvial soil. We'll take on a very good soil and very important soil, especially for western sector, that is called black soil. The name itself is reflecting, it's a black in color. Why the color of soil is mainly black? Because it's a volcanic originated and this is a residual soil. ये वही बनती है जहाँ पे इसका parent rock होती है. So if you see Deccan Plateau of India, if you see peninsular India, जब मैं Deccan Plateau की बात कर रहा हूँ, जब मैं Peninsular Plateau की बात कर रहा हूँ, तो I'm talking about South India mainly. So you see maximum soil that is there in South India or Peninsular India, that is mainly of black soil in origin, because it is volcanic origin, and that's the reason why it's a black soil. And maximum cotton textiles are located in Maharashtra and Gujarat. The reason given why this maximum cotton textile is originated in Maharashtra and Gujarat, the reason is very clear, because we grow cotton in that area. हम लोग बहुत सारा cotton उस area में उगाते हैं, and that's the reason why we have so many cotton textiles are there in it. But to whom which we should give credit? We have to give credit to black soil. हम लोगों को black soil को credit देना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि black soil के कारण ही cotton उग पाता है. So this is very important soil for Maharashtra and Gujarat, because maximum cotton has been grown in this black soil. Then we have saline soil. Saline itself means where more humidity is there, and mainly it is grown in arid and semi-arid areas, and this is not very potential type of soil, but maximum area of India is again covered by semi-arid and arid areas, and that's the reason why we have this type of crop, this type of soil, that is called saline soil. The next soil which is very important, that is red soil. The name itself is reflecting the color of this soil is red in nature. Why? Because due to more iron oxide in it. It's not so fertile, but if you are applying so much fertilizer, then it can be utilized for that. Then we have laterite soil. This soil is a very different type of soil as compared to other soils which I mentioned. This soil is not so fertile. How this soil mainly formed? This soil is mainly formed by the process of leaching. what this leaching stands for. When upper part of the soil is removed, upper part of the soil where a lot of minerals exist, that has been leached. Therefore, the word has been used laterite soil. But this soil these days are utilized for coffee plantation. हम लोग कॉफी इसमें उगा लेते हैं, रबड़ इसमें उगा लेते हैं, क्योंकि if you are applying more and more fertilizer in that soil, this laterite soil can exist in that. Then we have arid soil. So arid soil, the name itself is suggesting that this soil exists in those areas which are arid, जहाँ पर खेती बाड़ी बहुत कम होती है और हम स्पेशल टाइप की क्रॉप्स को वहाँ पे ग्रो करते हैं और इस सॉइल में therefore the name of the soil is called arid soil.